Here we go, everyone. This is the pickup on this weekend, and let's see what we have in here. Let's check them one by one. So, first up, we got the Nike React Element 55. Colorway is the Ocean Cube, black, pink, and quartz. And here you go. A nice colorway of the Nike React Element. Next one, we got the Nike Air Max 98. We got the colorway is the University Red, and this ones look like the drop on the Supreme ones, like colorway wise and white and red. Just the classic Nike Air Max 98, and got them for $99. Alright, next one, we got Air Jordan 1 Dre High Double. Colorway is Gym Red. We got 9.5 and size 8 right there. And boom, 2 strap. Jordan 1 High. Classic bottom or sole. Not much going on though. There you go. And just the simple strap. And that's it. No lace. Easy. In on your foot and go. Next one, we got the Air Jordan Legacy 312 Rookie of the Year. Colorway white, barbecue, brown, and wheat. And nice color. We got the Air Jordan Jumpman in the back, the logo, classic logo right there. Strap Nike, and the brown cement. Oopsie. And the Jordan bottom. Nike on the tongue. Soft battery leather. Yep. And the retail on this one is $150. And move on to Mamba Rage. Anyone Kobe fan here? There you go. What's on the colorway on this one? Colorway is dark gray, black, and pure platinum. Nice basketball shoe. Simply this outrigger right this on the side. You can see that one, or maybe right there. Yeah, outriggers. Nice basketball shoes. Next one, we got a few of these Jordan T 2 lows from 10 to size 8. And let's pop it open. And there you go. We got a triple white with some metallic accent. A Jordan Jumpman right there. Nice and clean white. Not so much Orange metallic with a number 23. Another Jumpman. And an Air right there with the TE2. Go. Nice and clean white shoes. An Air Jordan, and retail on this is 110. And next one, we got the LeBron 16 low. Colorway is the white metallic and gold. And I believe this is the LeBron Olympic USA or American. As you can see the flag right there, and LeBron logos, sole inside, and the basic bottom of LeBron 16. Nice battle knit with gold Nike swoosh. What else? Nike Air in the back with the Air. And that's it. Simple lows, a Jordan 16, and also got Nike Zoom KD12 NRG. Colorway is white and black wolf gray, and retail is 150. Nice box. We got Kevin Wayne Durant 12th edition 2019-2020, and the basketball. And if you are wondering like where the top box, these are from the Nike outlet, and if you go to the Nike store or the Nike outlet, you could see a lot of boxes rip off on the top. And here you go. Look like a off-white thing right here. Let's see, we got quad axial fly wire with multi-directional dynamic containment with a KD 35 8 29 35. Let's see, we got the Zoom and nice clean outsole. What's going on in there? Like a holes inside. And got Nike swoosh. All this. Katie on the tongue. Nice fly wire all around. And it feels like a nylon. Yeah. Well, here you go. We got the Nike Zoom KD12 NRG. Next one, we got some Nike Air more up-tempo 720 QS2, and the retail on this one is 200. Colorway University red, white, and black. Let's take that out and see what we got here. Boom. There we go. A huge Air Max swoosh right there with a 720 air bubble all around. It looks good. I mean, it looks really good on hand. It's a rubber garter right there. Let me know if you want me to do some review on foot review on this one for a casual perspective. It really looks nice. I've been looking for an Air Max on my collection, but I haven't one of this, the Air Max up tempos. And I want the white or red, but this one is nice though. So combining the Air Max up tempos with 270, not bad. And retail is 200. Got him for $129.97. Okay, move on to another Air Max 720 Saturn ASQS. Another retail 200. Got a 10 and 10 and a half. Let's see. And boom. Okay. So what's going on this one? That is something. Look like ETR 720 on the bubble, and with some kind of lettering here. Racing, extra lace. The leather is soft though. Nice. But it looks like synthetic though. Okay. 720 racing. A lot of going on here. So some kind of zipper that goes on the side. A snap on. There's a lot of cushioning on this side, but nice going on. Yellow, black, and white. 720 air bubble, and the sole. Let's see the difference on this. So look like just the same 720s. Okay, pretty much good on that one. And how much what we got then for the Nike Air Max 17 is Saturn ASQS 200 retail and $99.97 with the additional discount. Not bad. Okay, so today's pickup is not bad, and especially it is back to school, so we got a few or a decent pickup. So that would be all on this video. Let me know what you think. Give a like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't. And see you later.